Hey guys, so today I am going to be making eggnog pound cake, and I thought I would do this simple eggnog recipe because I still have some eggnog here left over from when I did the Taylor Swift chai cookies. I only used a little bit for the icing, so I have a bunch more left over and I don't really just drink it. So I wanted to try this recipe. And it's really easy. You pretty much just throw everything together in this bowl. So in here I already have, this is yellow cake mix, boxed cake mix. And then I'm going to put in, well, let me put it on the KitchenAid first. But yeah, I've never used eggnog to bake before, like for the holidays or anything. So we'll see how this turns out, because for the icing, like I said, it was just a little bit. So I'm gonna add my vanilla extract, then I'm going to add in my nutmeg and my eggnog. Yeah, this is a lot more than I'm going to be using here. My butter, which is at room temperature. And lastly, my eggs, which are also room temperature. And now I'm going to start mixing all of this together. I decided to put my mix in here so that way it's easier to fill my pans, and I am using Bundt cake pans. These are little mini ones, and I also have this silicone Wilton one as well, but I'm going to start with the metal one first, and I'm not going to fill it up all the way yet, probably like halfway ish, I don't know, we'll see. So now I have both, or almost both of my pans filled. I just didn't get this last one, but I filled them about halfway, and they're going to rise, of course, so we'll see how much they rise. And I'm going to bake them I'm going to check them out at 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now my cakes are out of the oven, and they are completely cool. And these ones are darker because I did this in the metal pan, and then these ones are lighter, but it's not like overcooked or overbaked or anything. So now I'm going to work on making my icing or glaze, and I'm just gonna do like the same one I did for Taylor Swift cookies. So I just have powdered sugar and eggnog, and I'm gonna do a few tablespoons at first. That much. I'm gonna whisk this together. And I also have some cute little false sprinkles that I'm going to add on top. That should almost be enough. Bit more. Make sure I'm getting all the sides and everything. And I'll probably just use my whisk to put it on there. I'm not gonna make it like super neat. And then I just have the tops over here, or the bottoms that I cut off, so that way they actually stand up right. There we go. It's hard to see in the lighting. Now I'm ready to start glazing my cakes. I kind of move this over, but I don't want to move it too far. Make sure I'm not going to spill any. And of course, Willow always loves to go outside when I'm in the middle of filming. So I glaze these two, and I'm gonna add on my sprinkles. Trying to get more of the edges. And these also smell really good. My mom thought that they were like burning in the oven, but it was just the oil from the pan. There we go. And now I'm going to glaze the rest of these. Now I'm ready to try it, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna cut it open. Ooh. You can see the nutmeg in there. It looks really good. So I think they tasted really good, and I had already tasted just the cake part from the tops here, which you can't see the nutmeg in as much, but I can taste the nutmeg more in here, and little bits of the eggnog as well. The eggnog isn't like super strong to me, but it's really good. And then the glaze, of course, I had that before. And then the sprinkles are actually nice because it adds like a little bit of like a crunch texture to it, I guess. And yeah, I would definitely make these again because these were really easy. It didn't take a while. I just put all the ingredients together, and it did only take 20 minutes to bake. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.